See you!
Bulls. Green Bulls. Say hi.
Hiya!
Ayan yung mga tropa. Mga tropa.
Hi. Where are we going?
No.
Because no. Are you excited?
That, no, this is not the up way.
Yeah. Oh, sleep ka muna.
Daddy, you're not gonna go up.
You're gonna sleep first, okay?
We're in Ohakune, fam. Kabayans! Kabayans! Oh! Did you see the big carrot?
Yeah, and we love our cat.
Oh. Did you see the carrot?
Takot naman sa carrot.
Ay, just go.
Ang ganda na dito ngayon ah. Dati wala pa tong mga to eh.
Carrot lang dati.
Oh, dati ito lang yung carrot doon.
Wala pa yung mga ano.
Creepy kasi yung mga mukha nila doon. Natakot kasi Mariel eh.
Feel ko ginawa nila talaga ito.
Pampatakot.
Hindi, pati yung playground nun, ginagawa pa.
Bago to eh. May playground na guys.
Ayun yung toilet.
Ito, si Kabayan no.
Kabayan po kayo?
Kabayan.
Pwede po magtanong?
This one.
Pwede po magtanong, sir?
Mukha kang mag-i-ski ah.
Kabayan po kayo? Kabayan. Wanna go with mama? Go with mama.
Breakfast.
May daming bread. Puro bread tayo.
Costco boss.
Okay.
Kirkland.
Mag-i-sledding din ba kayo? Ano oras yung nakakuha niyo?
Muriel, smile. Smile. Buto.
Okay.
Mimi.
Daddy, can you
1, 2, 3, look here. Muriel. Muriel. Yee. Millie, look here. Yee.
Hello!
can you go in the mountain to go snow?
Yeah. We're going to the snow. Up in the mountains. Hindi pa masyado kita ang snow. Pero it's a 30-minute drive from here. Wala masyadong snow. bato na lang. Naka 4-wheel drive ka ba? O 2? Ah,
Very cold.
Wow. Where's the snow?
kalbo na.
Dito na kami sa Ruapel, guys. Team No Tulog. What's up? Ganda pala sa New Zealand. Hi Miriel. You're so cute. Yeah, there, look. We're walking from the car park. Medyo late na kami, afam. Malayo yung parking. So, naglalakad tong mga kabayan. Ayan. Kamusta po findings niyo sa New Zealand?
Ay, sila ba to?
Ay! We made it!
Wow.
We made it! We made it! We bought our tickets online, $65 per adult. It gives you a pass and a toboggan. Fuck a father! Fuck a father!
Hey.
Hi guys!
Good, good.
Hi Millie!
Hello.
Look me
Hello.
Hi boss!
Yay! Whee!
Riley. Let's go play the ice.
Yay! Look here! Wee-hee! Wee-hee! It's okay ah! Look! Yay! Yay! Hi!
Millie, look at daddy. Look at daddy.
Wala. Busy siya. Hi, Mayan. Hi. Hello.
Okay. Ready? Wow!
Is Tita ready?
Whee! 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 Yay!
Hi guys.
Hello.
Sa New Zealand. Ayun no, pagod na si Paro. Oh. Oh. Ready? Okay, let's go. Whee! Whee! Yeah! Yeah! What's up? Okay, get up. Here.
I'm here in the snow and look at this. Nice paintings. And we're gonna go eat something. And you're my daughter.
Smile. Hi, Marian. Hey, what's up?
Hello. Can you say hi to
Mahulog si Millie ah. Oh.
Sino ano?
Sorry.
Naiwan sila.
Ay, sila.
Sila kaya?
Okay, sabi ko nga.
Sige.
Walo eh.
Kasya pa ba sila?
Ilan bang?
Walo, walo.
Bibigay na to.
Oh, mga bata pa.
Labas ka na.
Hi guys!
Ba't hindi nagko-close? Ay.
Okay, magtismisan na.
Uy, alam mo ba?
Alam mo ba? Si Clara at Maggie. May taga-picture ako,
Yan na
taga-video.
lang, yan na lang.
Hindi,
Ay, kung
video
na
to.
bata ko nasa harap.
Bakit?
Wow, ibang wow.
Takot sa heights. Takot sa heights. Stunning view in it. Stunning it.
We're going there.
Oh my God! Babaliktad ka.
Look,
Picture.
Wow.
See, you can see, oh.
I-point 5 natin to.
Pakita mo kay Millie.
Wow! It's so fun!
I love my life!
Really, a picture dyan! Ano,
Look at the
Raydan?
view.
Wow!
Wow!
Don't look down!
Hi Millie.
You wanna face that way?
Millie, are you having fun? Yes. Look at the back, Millie. Oh. Millie,
Look at the eyes.
You wanna sit here, Ate Millie?
look at the back. Oh. Look at
Here
the
we go.
back.
Eyes,
I-balance
baby.
tayo. Oy.
O kami naman.
Sila naman. Eyes,
Brother.
baby.
Sali.
Dun, 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 dun.
Ooh.
Eyes, baby.
See,
Dun, dun,
oh,
dun,
Steve
dun, dun.
Boy. Oh.
This is global warming, guys. There's so many black bits.
Wow, it's so high! We're so high!
Mas masalit.
Gagi ang taas oh. Tingin ka sa ilalim, Ray dyan.
Tingnan sa baba.
Ray dyan, tingin ka sa baba.
Apart.
Wow.
Pumunta ka dito, hindi balance.
Alam mo bang mas,
Wow, we're so high.
mas ano
Di
ka
ba may
bang
portrait? Oh my God.
Ano to? Paikot
Taas
lang
namin,
tayo?
guys. Oh.
Paikot lang to? Paikot? Hindi tayo pupunta sa taas.
sa ano? Sa Queenstown.
Gagin sa'yo ng mga nag-i-ski oh.
Di, diretso to Queenstown.
Yeah, we made it to the top.
Cold na.
So, taas na natin. Altitude 5.0 na to. Hi, ma'am, sir. Hi, ma'am, sir. Ma'am, sir.
Okay ba yan? Dito? Dito ba kayo? Ay, sige. Finish it.
Ang chismis, Dorina. May chismis ka ba, Dorina? Sina?
Isa ako nung ano, pagpako yata yun. Pinamahal ka na.
Say hi.
Hi, Millie. Say hi. You want your gloves na? Is it cold na?
It's getting colder.
To, Bandong family.
Ibel.
Bandong family. Princess family. Si Almira's family. Single mom.
Miriam's
Hello.
bag.
Miriel's new dad.
Single mom.
Mula nung nawala siya, kinaya ko naman lahat.
Yeah, stand up ko na. Stand up ko na dyan kasi mag-
Mahirap ba maging single dad?
Kinakaya ko naman so far. Mahirap sa una, pero ganun talaga. Nakasanayan na din.
Oh, let's go na. Medyo nag-iba na yung ano. Kasi nasa taas tayo.
Iba na ang
Nakawala ng araw, hindi ka na naarawan.
iba na ang feelings ko para sa iyo.
Matigas, Mili. Here. Oh, you make.
Oh, ano ka? It's like an angel wing.
Okay.
Snow play. What's that, Millie?
It's a snowman.
Wow. Tibay ng kamay mo, Miriel ah.
Daddy, can you make another one,
Yeah.
please?
Later when Miriel finishes. Dami na nila, guys. Napakarami na nila.
Yeah.
Ay, open it, open. Open. Uh-oh.
Wow. Kabayans in New Zealand.
Siya yung nag-ayos nung ano. Siya yung
Ay,
nag-ayos.
gagi.
Pero ano?
Gusto mo mamatay?
Hey, Millie. Hello. What did you make?
It's Moran. He's my baby.
Oh, wow. Going down now. Yeah, Muriel's going down. Going down, going down.
Nahilo na ako agad.
Sa mga puso. It's okay. Ba't umutot dito? Oo nga, baho. Na-ray dyan.
Ano, ba't amoy?
Amoy.
Ay, huwag mo na sara!
Utot eh.
Oh,
my God.
Still gusto ko.
Ay, ayoko diyan.
Oh, yung kiliti ko sa pet.
Hindi ba yan ganyan?
Takot pa naman si Madjo sa heights.
Baka maano ka dyan.
We've arrived in Taupo. Hey, Muriel. Hello. Let's have a look at the house. Come on, let's do a tour. Ticket tour. Okay, so this is the main entrance. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Wow, all right. Here you go. Lots of room. Double deck. Here's the lounge. Wow. Really big lounge. Got a fireplace, TV, outdoor area. Yup. Dining room and a nice kitchen. My wife, beautiful. Okay, into the other rooms. Wow. This is room, another room, another room, and the bathtub, and the toilet, and then another room, and then another lounge, and the laundry area. na kami sa Redwood, fam. Redwood, Rotorua.
Are we going to the playground?
Redwood, Rotorua with the fresh kababayans. Wow, pine tree. Parang Baguio. Basic. Ang lalaki nila pala na. Ducks. Ayan palang inaakit ng mga tao. Ayan yung tree walk, fam. 35 bucks. What's up, kids? What's up, kids? Oh.
1, 2, 3. Cheese.
Uy, ang tangkad. 1, 2, 3.
Pinakamabaho.
Ayan, ang mga troops.
Pero alam niyo po, ito ay hindi uto. Pumagabi, may video pa.
Kabayan. First time niyo po dito?
Ang ganda ng New Zealand.
Pare-parehas lang na puno yan eh.
Tangin na oh. Oh. Laki oh. Parang ako.
Okay. Wala na. Solo.
Yung galing talaga ng anak ko.
Okay na?
Ang sweet naman ng buchik.
Pwede sila.
Ayun, naka-video.
Layo eh.
Para meron silang ano. Ay,
Tap.
ito pala yung ano.
Free walk.
Uy, Bon, dagdag mo na si Millie sa titulo nyo. Siya mag-ano.
Hello.
Make it far.
Hello.
Pero pag sabi mong
I'm
marinig yung pa, kailangan bang...
Papa. When you go
Ito,
here, mama.
pero medyo maluwag
Ha-
nga sa akin konti.
Ayan. Let's go, guys. And we have to go to the park. And look at here. The person toy. Kapong.
What are you doing with it? Is it vlog?
Mommy, are we not gonna go see animals?
We're gonna go see animals.
I want to see a lion and a Lloyd.
Pag medyo matatanda na yung anak mo,
And everyone.
Mga 5.
We're in Paradise Valley. Paradise Valley. May ganyan sa Stokes. Kaya ribs.
Kaya Stonic.
Kaya.
Laking parot to.
Parot ang puto. It's a pine tree. Look, Millie, it's Tito.
Pallets.
Ayan.
Si ano yan, si Babe.
I want to hold it.
Oh, hold it. Konti lang ha, kasi marami pang animals. Picture you. Oh. Nagalit na siya.
You wanna see? What's the son of daddy? What's the son of daddy?
Sound of mama.
Ayan, duck. Pabo. Pabo.
Ay, look oh.
Naniwala si Madjo. Ito eh. Black swan.
Ano yan?
Yan yung leader.
Amelia, come here, feed the deer.
You wanna see? Oh, go, Millie.
Parang nasa Korea. Di ba ganyan sa Korea?
Oy, bigyan mo daw to. Feed niya daw.
Here, Miriam. Feed the ano. Feed them.
Yay!
Yay!
Gonna eat it. Wow.
Oh, put your hands like this.
Say hi,
Again,
dear.
again.
Millie, say hi, dear. Muriel, say hi, dear.
Dito maganda yung tracks.
Yup, hindi maputik. Parang staglands. It's Mother Nature.
Mas maganda ba yung tracks dito kaysa sa Staglands eh.
It's Mother Nature. Mother Nature. Ito, nayuyug-yug na. Yug. Ito, dito, may fish daw. May fish.
Ano ba dyan?
Ayun, mga fish.
Meron ba dyan? Ay, daki. Bangus. Wow, Riley, look. Oh, look. Wow.
They're swimming in the water.
Nakakain yan.
So, ano, matakaw.
Ayun, no, dinner mamaya.
Ay, daki. Doon nagumpa. Bay, daki.
Daki, Muriel. Daki. Ito, nagbablog ako. What's up?
What's up mga kabayan?
So beautiful here in New Zealand.
Happy New Year!
Wow, El Nido.
Hey, Bel.
Ay, kasi na ayaw niya to.
Underwater.
Ay, ito yung ano?
Little Mermaid.
Dito sila nagtago. Yung mga katipunero, dito nagtago dyan.
Oh, there's a trout. Look, Muriel. Big fish. Wow.
It looks like an aquarium. Wow, it's so big.
Ganyan na nga. Ang galing oh. Oh, suma-side view.
Oh, you put your hands like this, oh. Dito.
Oh, you throw, Muriel. Go. Give her one.
Give her one.
Oh, please stop.
Nice, Riley. Sorry.
Please stop. Please stop.
Nasaan na yung feed? Ay, feed. Food.
Muriel, oh, look.
Look, oh.
Oh, kiss daw, kiss. Oh, tabi mo yung mukha mo. Oh, yan.
Nalito ako ah.
Stop.
Bye-bye.
Mas bakit mama?
Ba. 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 Ayan, no? Ganda, oh. Look at chicken. Chicken. Say hi, chicken.
Chicken. Ay, chicken.
Ito, nagtuturo-turo. Oh.
Kaya natin ulamin ito.
Sinusundan kayo. Uy, ang cute, oh. Ang cute, oh. Oh. Baby duck.
Oh, baby duck.
Duckling.
Si Madjo sumisigaw.
Ayun yung pabo mo, Jo.
Baby duck!
Ayun yung pabo, ayun.
Chig. Chut chut. Chig. Chut. What's up, Maji? What's up? Lama? Kamukha ni Madjo. Ostrich. What's up? Little pony.
My little pony. My little pony.
Look, Mariel.
Cute, oh. Cute. He's so cute. Hi, horsey. Say horse. What does the horse say? Neigh.
Putek si Dagul. See? They're giving him some food. Oh, nice catch. Yeah. You wanna go down?
See the lion?
Alright guys,
See
so
the lion?
on the menu today we do have a mixture of two different meats. We have
You know,
horse and
male
chicken
and
beef.
female.
So horse is very similar to zebra, which
That's
is
the-
the natural source out in the wild. That's what I mean about knowing about it.
Yun yung ano leader.
Alpha.
So horse is very similar to zebra, which is their natural food source out in the wild.
Zebra.
So we do feed them 95% of it, so the hair, the meat, the offal and the figure of the bone. One by one, and they come in very easily, just one at a time. Usually mum's first. Depends how hungry the tender is. He's either second or he's last. When he's last, he's extremely stubborn because he'll sit there for about 20 minutes
Wala eh.
and call his name.
What na?
And then he wants to show his dominance.
Her patting, it's just down her back right here, nice flat hand. So if she moves her head, you take your hand out, okay? And just don't touch his head, just on her back.
Go, Millie.
Are you scared? You scared? Yeah. Are you picturing naman? Daddy. Come on, Daddy.
Sisi mo kamay mo. Dito kami ngayon sa New Zealand. Kakain sa Pinoy Tres. Kasi Filipino food ang trip ng mga tropa. Ayan. Ito daw, pasok na daw. Ito, Pinoy Tres Eatery. Catering, cafe. Filipino Kai. Oh, 2 toppings in a bowl for $24. Ayan. Pinoy Tres guys. Punta kayo dito sa Rotorua. Yun oh. Yun oh. Uy, may lechon. May lechon guys. Parang ano karenderero. Steak. Uy, may bangus mili.
Yummy!
2 dish and rice, $24 guys. Ito, dalawang chicken and rice. Oh, sarap. Ayan, kumakain na po. Ito po, Bukod family. Gutom na gutom. Ito, hinay-hinay par.
2 minutes.
Ito, Bandong family. Kumakain ng Pilipino. Oh, bagsak. Hello, lechon. Hello, Thea.
Nag-vlog ko ba?
Vlogger ako eh. I'm a vlogger.
Parang luto ni Dara.
Vlogger ka? Ay, dito na naman kayo. Yung
Iwanan mo ulit yan. Iwanan mo ulit yan.
dahil tao. Indoor eh.
What animal is that one?
Ano, shot?
What's that one?
Shot tayo doon, no? May free tasting yan ng ano. Kung gusto mo try whiskey. Shumat kami ni Ray dyan. Look.
Nalilipat daw na yun. Pinagyan pa.
Okay na daw kaso mag-notice siya sa Airbnb daw.
Ang gusto ka niya. Ang jajapan daw nila Jeff.
Bumalik pa kami kinabukasan.
Buti na lang nakakita.
May naing.
Nagtatrabaho dito.
May nainggit oh, may nainggit.
I got
Oh no. Malabar.
Malabar restaurant.
Lunch kami bago mag-Hookah Falls, tas uuwi na. Back to reality.
Reality. Pero nakakapagod.
Wow!
Sorry. Wala nang day off.
I have a boo-boo. See.
Hindi na ako madalas sa boss. Magsasend sana ako ng
I spell cheese and rice. And do you like Big Daddy's channel?
Alex.
Big Daddy's channel is good, but then now on my first channel. It's going to my son the blog.
Butter chicken. What are you eating? Ooh, yum.
Cheese
The
naman everyone.
chicken korma. Uy, picture. Chicken chow mein.
I poked you in the Pokebook, and I went to yesterday when I was 3 and above.
You went to Hookah Falls?
Yeah, when I was 3.
Tulog na si Miriel, di nasasama. Single dad. Hookah Falls.
Ganda. Sulfur yan, kuya?
Hindi. Ewan ko. Fresh water na may halong chemical.